Big news in the world of safety and smart SUVs. JAECOO's flagship self-charging hybrid, the JAECOO 7 SHS, has just clinched the highest possible 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP. This milestone reinforces the brand's commitment to blending advanced safety, innovation, and intelligent design. In a rigorous round of safety tests conducted by Euro NCAP, the gold standard in vehicle safety across Europe, the JAECOO 7 SHS excelled in every major category. The hybrid SUV scored 81% in adult occupant protection and 80% in safety assist, highlighting its exceptional build quality and advanced driver assistance technologies. Equipped with up to 21 intelligent safety features, including autonomous emergency braking, forward collision warning, and an intelligent avoidance system for navigating around large vehicles, the JAECOO 7 SHS is designed with real-world driving in mind. Built on the Sherry International platform, its body structure consists of 80% high-strength steel, providing superior protection in the event of a collision. But it's not just safe, it's smart and efficient. With 403 mpg WLTP efficiency and up to 745 miles of range, this self-charging hybrid ensures the battery never drops to zero, offering electric convenience with petrol reassurance. Starting at just £35,165 on the road, every JAECOO 7 SHS comes with a 7-year/100,000 mile warranty and an 8-year battery warranty, making it a compelling package for safety-conscious UK buyers. Since its UK launch in January 2025, nearly 2,000 units of the 7 SHS have already been sold, clear proof that demand for smart, efficient, and safe SUVs is on the rise. With a top-tier safety rating, bold hybrid performance, and intelligent design, the JAECOO 7 SHS is proving that peace of mind and modern mobility can go hand in hand. Subscribe for more auto news and reviews. Automoto Network.